Patients not understanding that their problem didn't start when the symptom began. The solution for this actually goes back into the history. It's our initial consultation. So if people are not understanding what's going on, and particularly they're not understanding the chronicity of it, James, we need to go back and see how are we doing our initial consultation. Are we doing a really good detailed history where even when they mention, yeah, my headache started 2 weeks ago, are we asking questions like, when did you first experience them? Okay. And then the time before that, and then the time before that as well. And when we're starting to educate about these, I'll be running my hands along the spine there too, and I might find some of that fibrous tissue there too. And I might say something like, James, can you feel this fibrous, this ropey tissue through here? Feel on this side, feel on the other side. Can you notice the difference? Yes. This ropey tissue here, you can think of it a bit like a scar tissue or maybe even a callus that builds up on your hand if you've been working out in the garden or working with weights for a long time. What this tells me, James, is that this doesn't come up in the last 2 weeks. I know the headaches have only been there for the last 2 weeks, but this would suggest that we might have had some problems in the upper part of the neck here, probably for years rather than weeks. And that would make sense based on the fact that I know that these headaches started just a couple of weeks ago, but you've kind of had them beforehand. That's interesting. We'll see what we see in your posture. So we're just dropping these little cookies along the way there too, where we're starting to educate about them also.